Hello everyone, welcome back to another video in Matplotlib. Let's start with an introduction to data visualization. In this lecture we will focus on what is data visualization and its importance, advantages and disadvantages, types of tools and libraries required to visualize big data with small example. Let's see what is data visualization. Data visualization is all about collecting the information and representing it in a visual format using charts, graphs, trends, and maps. It is an efficient way of communication with others. It provides the viewers an easy and accessible way of understanding the represented information. Let's discuss why data visualization is important. We know that data visualization provides a quick and effective way to communicate information in a universal manner using visual information. Now, let's talk a few points about the importance of data visualization. Data visualization is the ability to absorb information quickly, increased understanding of next steps that must be taken to improve the organization. Visualization is an easy distribution of information that increases the opportunity to share insights with everyone involved. Now we will see the advantages of data visualization. Basically, our eyes are drawn to colors and designs. We can quickly identify black from white or squares from circles. Our culture is visual, including everything from art and advertisements. Similarly, data visualization is another form of visual art that grabs our interest and keeps our eyes on the message. When we see a chart, we quickly see trends and outliers. Let's see some other advantages of data visualization. The main goal of data visualization is to make it easier to identify patterns, trends, and outliers in large data sets. Anyone can easily share represented information by using mails and Microsoft Teams. It is useful for all types of incidents and threats. Data visualization methods show relationships and connections between the data, show correlations between two or more variables, and visualize patterns and relationships. We've seen advantages of data visualization. Now let's discuss about disadvantages of data visualization. For example, viewing a visualization with many different data points may lead to make an inaccurate assumption. Or sometimes the visualization itself is designed wrong that may lead us to be biased or confusing. Another disadvantage of data visualization is correlation is a relationship or connection between two variables. It occurs when if one variable changes, the other variable will be slightly changed. Thus, correlation doesn't always mean causation. Let's see a few tools and packages for data visualization. Matplotlib. Matplotlib is a detailed data analysis tool that has an easy-to-use interface and graphical design options for visuals. Tableau Desktop. Tableau Desktop is a business intelligence tool that helps you in visualizing and understanding your data. Microsoft Power BI. Microsoft Power BI is developed by Microsoft. This is a suite of business analytic tools that allows you to transform information into visuals. Zoho Reports. Zoho Reports is a reporting software tool that offers a wide variety of reporting options such as charts, pivot tables, summary views, and tabular views. Let's take a small example shown on the screen. This is a two-dimensional line plot of the NEC's Common Core of data. In this graph, we will see school years from 1997 to 2003 on the x-axis and the expenditure per student from 0 to 10,000 on the y-axis. The background lines of the plot is called grids. The text given above the plot is known as title of the plot and the legends are shown on the right side of the plot. The total expenditure in unadjusted dollars is shown in the blue color line at the highest 7.7. and the total expenditure in constant 2004 to $5 appears in orange color at the highest 9.1. In this video, we learned about data visualization and its importance. Then advantages and disadvantages of data visualization. And we seen important tools and libraries for data visualization, then finally a simple example of data visualization. In the next lecture, we will learn what is Matplotlib library. Thank you.